Welcome back to Comment Critic, the show that proves your facts wrong in the comment section. Now last time we got, 31 likes? Well, let's aim for 3 likes this time. 100 subscribers and we'll do absolutely nothing about our upload schedule. Our first victim is the user here that states thorn and edge represent the same sounds. They then continue to argue their case to no avail. Well, maybe we haven't been too clear. Take a look at this comment here. That explains everything, doesn't it? I have no idea why this commenter thinks one letter is better than the other. It's not like any other community says a similar thing. Definitely not one that includes some members of Kunubunasa either. Short video, but our channel is growing so quickly that we wouldn't want to lose all of this clout. Oh wait, maybe we already did.